Yeah, I mean Pablo Creation. I mean bring
Pablo Creation, thank you so much and may God bless you. Oh, you was in a Jamaica when you go overseas. You did a Jamaican shop and the person last name is supposed to be Stuart.
Oh yeah.
I was watching.
Oh yeah. Well, this will fit then, right? Okay, okay, fit it.
You okay? Having a nice day, a wonderful day. Big up your son, Kina. You know energy.
Why didn't you move on and so we can?
Happy fall. So this is $200 right here from Kalina. It's 200 here. Hold on, Toko. 200 here.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Bad charge. Wagwan.
Charge you wagwan. I'm seeing you, brother.
My pass out in.
General bad charge, enough respect. Come out and run liquor. No one of police can get a ticket. So wagwan, keen alive in Jamaica.
My pass out here a couple times, but in a day.
Yeah, I'm never there out, I'm a G, man.
Oh.
So what's up?
There, man, I go.
No, we're up on the same way you are.
Yeah.
All it same way, keen alive.
Oh.
Jamaica.
The rest around there.
One. Jaja, you know, big up in the rest. Maroon Diamond, a wallet man.
But you can't come here and say hello to Esther. Until
Esther.
Just say hello.
Respect still and manners.
Yeah.
Me up in the camera.
You must say hello. Hello, man. I say.
Me up in the camera, so Esther. Me not get to say hello, but hello, Esther. You okay? Having a nice day, a wonderful day. Big up your son, Kina. You know energy. You know, man. With that,
so when are the next trip? Which one we going?
Kina, decide, man, where you want to go.
No, you must tell me that you know the place.
Because you know, say, if you want, we can go all 40, we can go. If you want to go back to St. Thomas, a different river, we're there.
Alright.
So just tell me a day next week or one of the day, brother.
Alright.
Give me a day, Maroon a day.
Yeah.
And the people that, you know, if I go harder, so they see we are river rasta. I go on with bathing.
Man, call twice and I fish.
Well, me I tell you.
What you say, the rasta fish?
Yeah, right. Can't swim, man. Can't swim, man.
So you got a cable out already? You got a cable out the river already?
Cable?
Yeah.
Which part of there?
No cable out. When you go out some man and go up on the hill, like we go up Bubble Hill lesser.
Cane
River, you go up there, sir.
Yeah.
We want to go some river then, man. We are this side somewhere, Kina, man. Give me a link, I'm ready, man.
We're going to organize somewhere.
What do you see up on the hill? Me I watch you, you know.
Up on Marble River.
Yeah.
You never got to say it?
That's somebody that will drop out. Who are you? Let me see how go look for you.
Okay, I'm bridging from my place.
Yeah, look like your football, bridging.
Yeah, me watch
Trust me, I send out my condonation. Because we are watch it and I send out my heart and I say, I see keen up on the river and I say, watch the man.
Cool,
I say, I'm dead still, but we never live a long time.
Yeah, probably in the summer.
I was saying, just like them clipping their new clip. Yeah, man, but you know keen up. I hold up the road, but
pick up yourself.
You know who I'm going to deal with the thing, but trying on the road,
you
can't get for deal with it. I mean, I want my family get no ticket.
Yes, I. We're going to make a link, man. We're going to organize a river trip.
All up so we can go, you know.
Up away, man.
Up a few place up a Pappy Hills there, Up when I go up in Maryland, you know, my place Maryland too.
We're going to river there.
So we can go.
We're going to set up the sandbag them so we have a little pool.
Yeah, man. I will set up sitting, man. Kino, man. You see me a shout to one, but me I say you good in business.
Yeah, me there on the road, man. Do all thing go already, man.
Yo, to bless her.
Alright.
One Kino, one Maroon, Esther.
Esther.
All of my heart, baby. Love is always there. Oh, when me I tell you them things, they ever serious, you know, but nah, like you.
Charles in our phone.
Big up yourself.
Alright then.
Heal up the next Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, heal up Jack.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Alright then. Maroon, man. Really, if you take a day, boom. All our vibes up a Miami River, but we want to bag them set up. Just show me. Oh, around here, so the place look fruitful already. Around here, so the whole of the fruits in there. Big. Yeah. That trench, this went and the water come down from this. But more time black up. Okay, black up. Everyone said the beauty. I never see them out here before, eh? See it also. Oh, if I also run here, sir. Around here, so you get the whole of the fruits, sir. Calabash. Another one, the man, them in the corner. I go to the 3 foot dog, you're a 3 foot dog around there, you know. Yeah. I'm having fun of him. The smell running so smell like country. Smell it, Esther. Smell the country smell. A private place. And them have to fix it. Oh, that's the 3 foot dog there.
You see the back one to come right there?
No? See him there? See? 3 foot man.
Jump out, you think that for
Farming go on here, so as well too. Then farm right here, so. Big mansion that I got to say, you know, big villa. Dog, they're everywhere. Yeah, them dig down the hill. Start feeling walk already. But I think they stop up here, so. No, you go all the way around up on the top. The man forgot to build them road, man. Who will build that? You see? Wow. I must run into the road. I run into the road down, you know. This is the countryside. Yeah. What's true yesterday I'll come? Yeah. I wonder how far it go. We would continue all the way around. Mission this. It's a real not a country with it. In the fields. Oh, the road continue to go all the way around, man, because the car go up there. People live all the way up, man. Wow. Can feel the difference around here, so. Whee! That's boom. You don't need a weed in your lungs, you need this in your lungs. Yeah. You know, feel different and look different, guys, I swear. Yeah. Decent though. It's a good stretch. It's a good thing we decided to make this walk before we go visit Cranberry. You know, because we never literally come this side. You know, we won't come on where the house is, but we go past it. Never know so around here they look. You know, beautiful, nice. Yeah. The good thing is we're going uphill, so when we're going back down, we're going downhill. Jacksonville over there, so. Lot of bamboo around here as well, too. This is nature life. Wow, goody. Yeah. So where this road I go? But the thing is, street, you have street light there. Street light there. Yeah. I'm sure that the car never drive past, but the road big, you know, look here. Yeah. But you couldn't see it. Look at the road big. We just couldn't see it. Oh, so you have fence up around this, huh? Okay. I know the car gone. Must be. You know, so smell like when that Westmoreland. Like, I smell cedar. Smell cedar wood.
It's a different scent.
Yeah. Smell like cedar wood. A cedar wood, yeah, smell. That smell that reminds me of that Westmoreland. This was a good walk. But what do it look like it stopped right there so dead?
No, this so.
No, seriously?
One time to go fast again to see.
No. That one look like it stopped right here, so Esther.
Oh, come on, see.
You don't see it anymore. So I feel them place this, the car just drive past. Unless you want next right. Yeah? No? Yes, it stop.
Yes.
Yes, it stop, boom.
So reach destination. So Google bring me.
Okay, so this is a mansion here, so. In that gun though, I tell you, electric gate. And I eat Indian them, you know?
Yeah.
Goli.
Was it come so far?
Yeah. Girls, you come so far. See. So you know, so I didn't build them road to come around here though. Yeah, because it's for them build them house here, so that house is nice too. Like that house here. Design nice. And so the last light post here, Esther. You notice? Yeah. So the last light post. So the man get a piece of land right up in here so and build them road. You know see what going?
Yeah, they're far from everybody.
And they're far from everybody. Electric gate. Yeah. Indian as well too. At the same one entrance. Yeah. Private.
One of them want adapt way.
Wow, you see what going? Well, there's the fence right there, so look. You see the fence? For them fence that, so they are from right there, so them. I feel them place that in the same yard. Good at them storage.
So up for adoption.
You see one get adopted. So him get them light here install, the light post and everything. See where him land cut off from here. See? The land is cut off from here, so go up. This is a big major river when I say there.
Probably big fan in your one.
Yeah, long time.
Enjoy 10 minutes. I feel we can in a more careful and just far away. Just say 1 week.
Look what I would up now.
Save signal there.
Look through this, boom. Look through this.
Yeah.
You see? We up on the peak there, imagine how far that there. Damn. You have all the house there, we up there too.
So now I'm coming fire and everybody.
But the man they way in the bush there, you notice where the man where them live.
Yeah, that's why I'm still in my
Yeah, way in the bush. This the man does dig away. See, look here, this is where the land, next piece of land from here, so the mark here. Another mark in this as well. This is the mark.
Oh, you would understand, that's because and they have them doctor number that apply from to them. Yeah, that's confident. I call the ambulance.
Whosoever it have sell a land and then probably dig out the road before them sell it. Yeah. Cause you can see them make the banking. This bill years. Years and years run as a bill. Years. Can you see the sidewalk? Can you see the sidewalk here? The sidewalk at here a long time.
I've got a teen parents in place, I'm grandparents. Yeah.
Cause that road, you can see that road that there so for years. Cause how it was before. Look here. You got the concrete also before. So years run as a there. So. That's why you have them lights. Yeah. Good thing we make that water there. So that's what them say, Miami up here, so one way in and one way out. You know? Once you come into Miami River, it's one way in.
We don't think they said finish now. If we never see the car now.
Yeah, who do know? So,
officer where the car goes. So we stay in the car.
Wait, there's somebody have a tank here, so.
Yeah,
somebody live over there, so then. Yeah, also where you so. A house this? Or a farm? A farm? So an house that? A farm? So the house you have or the same side? At the same side? At the side, man, Esther. Yeah. Yeah, I don't remember put this as well, you know, level it, you know. Yeah, pass it. You know, see it a glass, I go in here, so that's a glass. That's a nice, you know, when it done, you know. Oh, see walk out on the balcony there, so, and I look out. Yeah. And the man walk out and I look out on the whole of them view there. Look upon the man view. See the man view there? If you're up the flame, and I look across here, so look on your view. God, the truth, man.
That's the Kingston.
Yeah. No, I go see that view there. Yeah, go see the view. Oh, I see that view there. Oh, that's nice now, you know. If you must sell all this, that piece of land, so nice. Can you see the dirt that is on dump up here? Yeah.
You think they could have continued to go more? Like the road?
You have to cut through the land.
I think more there, but it's just.
Black up?
Yeah, and just, like if somebody just want to buy it, they have to continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, go there?
But look what guys. We're not trespassing. Are we trespassing? Are we just walking? Both. Hey, that road I'm gonna build to come up with. Not gonna normal in a boom.
Yeah, 2 pints you have to walk.
Look on the man view. Where am I gonna be getting?
You live so much like people. What we take the bus and walk from market.
Damn. Look on the view where the man I get. Sideway. Damn. Look at the view. Yeah. Guys, I really have to come look at this view. Damn. Look on the man view. This will be the man view. Yeah, we know. Catching the up there, so. Yeah, I'm going further. Wow. That was the door. Look like an X. Yeah, on design like an X. Damn. Yeah. Run so a jack seal that you look on right there, so that's jack seal. Wow. Dreams are valid, Esther. Come in, boom. Guys, them say dreams are valid. Trust me. Living like this, living somewhere like this. You know, guys, I'm say, forgive me. If you're the owner and you're watching, forgive me. I never meant to trespass or walk past or walk come up here. I just have this. Let me see it. I did have to take a look on the view that you're getting from right here, you know. So please forgive me for coming here. Yeah. Oh, the power work, man, cause yeah. I'm feel cutting it. And I work a class. Can I retain the whole of this? So the way all the man retain the whole of this, so there's no wash down. Look. I'm going to build wall yes again. All this, see that part I'm going to build this. So this now, when I put right here, so boom. This I go hold the whole of this from not come down. You see me? Yes, the whole light. So when the whole of this now, I'm going to dump it back. You know, so it's up on a level up there, so. Then I dump it back so it's on a level. And hold. Yeah, and hold the whole of this. So this no wash down, no time. You know, this is going to be the man road. I've got to press gas and drive up that road there when you come up. Truck.
Far down, so I look far up there.
And the outside, here. The outside at Cranberry. Oh, yeah. Look at the man, Chris. With the glass. I eat that, you know? Yeah, the outside.
Yeah, I eat.
You can see a Cranberry.
Yeah.
They are there waiting in the road there. First you pick the road and look at the road next there. If you part of the cut out, come like I'm a bill and the wall and the meat.
The water go up.
And the meat up next.
The water go up, man.
The road next. Bank up. I'll be a person pick the road there.
Aye. I tell you, walking was an exercise. Fit. Again, sister, at the truck come up here, the premix truck, and them come up here.
That is good. You will walk with. This every day, man, I tell you. Run past the same board.
This is something I can start up here as well, you know, see it there? On top of yourself. This is something I can start up this as well too. See you say I'm going to build the road as well, see the road there? Go all the way up. There's life to live here in JA, man. Yes, you still in already, foundation built already. I would have someone else.
I would have cousin.
Somebody say,
But I'll aim too.
alright.
I'll see also with us.
Yeah, that one, the X. The X, alright guys, so we're gonna go see Cranberry them now. You know that walk they take a lot.
I tell you.
Yeah, it does take a lot from us.
Get little stress.
Alright guys, so in the bag I brought two, we got the Jamaica shoes, that we got from yeah guys, remember these Jamaican shoes that we got from Pablo Creation, yes, from Pablo Creation. We got one of these shoes, so hopefully these can fit. So Esther and Boom walk on because I have to go back to the car to get these. So I'm ready. So Mommy River, it's been a while guys, we haven't come up here to cook and we'll have vibe, we definitely need to come up here and cook and we'll have vibe, for sure. Been a while when I can cook and we'll have vibe. Taking the shortcut. Wagwan. Which part? Fair walk, yes sir? Blackie. So now you don't name Blackie?
No.
So why you call her Blackie?
I saw she name.
Blackie.
Yeah.
And what you name? Brownie?
Yeah.
Toko, what you name Toko?
Toko, I wrote
Toko.
Yes.
What you name Nana? Nana? What you name Tara? Tara?
Tara. So what is that? What is that?
Them not come up here.
No.
Them down at the river.
No, come up here.
Exactly.
Yeah, she come. Watch out, me if you remember that. Let us see.
Something wrong with them, man.
Go back.
Or if you don't remember that.
We come to look for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, Esther come today.
And you know say Boom?
No, Boom not come up here.
Boom down there, so.
Ma? Me not see Boom. So you still when you go, you never tell me.
You never tell us when you go where?
No, when you go, me want to follow you.
Oh. Well, I told you I was going.
Yeah? If you tell me, I go up and stop.
Oh, work I go and see him where? Cranberry, what kind of work you do today?
Yeah, cook.
Yeah, cook? Hey, so we can get dumpling?
Yes, I do.
What? Nana, she cook dumpling? What?
If you see you want.
If I say I want to laugh,
Yeah?
for want to laugh when you cooking dumpling?
We just kill the command, some and command.
Yes, sir. You finish cook?
Nah, we are done. Chicken, mama da cut up. See that? Dumpling in the pan.
No, come on.
Mommy. Yeah, look here.
Are you a cook dumpling?
Yeah.
Evening.
Mommy.
Man, general. Is she a cook?
Me too.
Oh.
Mommy and me.
And now you will make them dumpling, yeah?
What? I can't make dumpling, Tina. I'm mother alone. I mean, make the dumpling them.
So now you make that one there.
Next week, I'm here.
So one. Oh, strong man. Pops.
Yeah, but
All is well. All is well. General, I'm shoot up here if you don't mind, yeah? If you don't mind, get catch tonight. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. Eh?
The board. They must cut the board and the other stuff.
Yeah. What you do? Cast this?
yeah, but you not gonna run out the pipe them too, yes, son.
Oh.
Yes, son.
For the sewage pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Whoa. Them for Noah. Popping a joke. Oh, I go on over here, so oh, chef special you cook up.
Yeah.
Eh. Oh, chef special that you know the chicken back, you know. So soon you got the kitchen at the front.
Yeah.
That's good. And the bathroom they are set up. See that? Progress. From morning the start.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it look like you're finished for tonight then. Put up them board there.
Oh my God, I'm just run them thing and them place I go cast up back again. I put in the pipe and I cast over it. So that means I have nothing to dig out back again when I don't put in the pipe and I run out the pipe then.
Yeah. You have the pipe them already?
Huh?
You have the pipe them already?
Yeah man, I buy the pipe to run out already.
Then they run in front.
I buy the pipe to run, go down there, so I just buy the pipe, take it out of the building.
Okay. Yeah. Good look, man. So the pit finished now?
No, it dig a pocket for pack on cast.
Oh, it's
Dig already, I just pocket for pack now.
Better go on dig some more.
yeah.
To me,
Yeah.
if you want a longer one,
Yeah.
you have to dig that some more.
Longer one better, you know, saying we not for dig no more for now.
Yeah, that's right.
Because when we see it as well, to me I say you can dig more. Say it lasts longer. So you know, so you not have to dig for now. Right as well. You know? When you get some rain up here.
Yeah, no, yesterday.
Oh, Joe and stuff. Good look on that. Bring some donation as well to help out, you know. Papi, what size are we?
Fun.
No, shoes this. You don't know if it can fit you. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. Ah, boy. What size you wear too? Mummy?
32. And seven, size 7.
Size 7.
Yeah. Do something for me. Go only on the time.
The Jamaica shoes. Jamaica. This not gonna fit you. Fit you?
Yeah. Just me and Cranberry are almost the same size.
Okay. Representing Jamaica. Yeah. Jamaica. Representing. See there. Jamaica. Should I bring come right here from a Jamaica there? You know. Jamaica. Well, it look like it fit there then. You know. Cause you have a subscribers of mine who's a donor as well too, and they bring one barrel of Jamaica shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, me and Pablo Creation, I bring that.
Pablo Creation, thank you so much, and may God bless you. Oh, you was in a Jamaica when you go overseas.
Yeah.
You did a Jamaican shop, and the person last name is supposed to be Stuart.
Oh yeah.
I was watching.
Oh yeah. Well, this will fit you then, right? I feel like that will fit you too. Yes, that was a fit you. Yeah, man. So, into the bag, yeah. Give me the bag.
One out back, I don't know.
Put them on the jumper.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, no, you want mommy.
So I also have some donation to help out as well. Right. Nana, are you okay? You paint up, so you're painting?
I made a paint today. I remove her back. The paint.
See that one. And we have okay, so we have $50 here, you know, from the secret place of the Most High. You know, the Rasta man must say the secret place of the Most High. Joe Rastafari.
Thank you.
Secret place.
Thank you from secret place of the Most High. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. And make your food basket never run dry.
Thank you so much for the secret from Rastafari. Thank you so much for the Most High.
For the Most High. For the Most High. And I say, yo, from the Most High, we thank you so much. You know, big up yourself, secret place of the Most High. Joe Rastafari. Yeah, man, so guys, you can see the work going on. You know, the work is taking place and it's going on more and more. So we have to give it up to the Father. And I say, my hands up, hats off every time, Papi. You know, and I tell you, he's a plus and a good thing him have the talent. You know, so that means in a cost labor. And all the costs are just in time. You know, and that's also a blessing. So that means when he's ready, he can build a bigger mansion, right, Papi?
Yeah.
A bigger mansion when he's ready. So I that. So I have another donation. Alright then, so I have another one here. This is from Lisa and Winston from Maryland. So this is $50 from Lisa and Winston from Maryland.
Winston and Lisa from Maryland, thank you so much, and make your food basket never run dry.
Never.
Thank you.
Lisa.
Lisa from Maryland. Thank you so much.
Alright. Cranberry, Shyberry. So thank you, Lisa and Winston.
Thank you, Lisa.
And Winston.
And Winston.
From Maryland.
From Maryland.
The basket never run.
So Cranberry name is Cranberry Shyberry. Her name is Cranberry Shyberry. Right? No? No? She named Shyberry. So she named Cranberry from Shyberry. Alright, so we have another donation here, and this is from the Chung family. This is for you to buy paint.
Paint.
Yeah, from the Chung family. So this is 100 US from the Chung family from New York. $100 here for you to buy paint. Chung family.
From the Chung family, thank you so much, and make your food basket never run dry. You see the work I do?
Yeah.
So you know, say, trust in God until we finish.
Yes, so the Chung family, we thank you so much for this 100 US, you know, for them to buy paint.
Thank you so much for the Chung family. Thank you so much.
Alright, like when Nana always come out and talk, you know. Yo, Nana, big up yourself, Nana. Cha. I love how Nana does come out so big. Thank you, Chung family.
Thank you so much, Chung family.
Okay, from Shyberry.
From Cranberry.
Yeah, Toko. Alright, so I have another one here from let's see who this one is from. So this one from Kalina from Ohio. So this is $200 right here from Kalina. There's 200 here. Hold on, Toko. 200 here. 200 from Kalina.
Kalina
from Ohio. Ohio. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah.
And make wealth in your family, and make everything that you are going through, that God will always help you. But thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Her name is Kalina.
Kalina, thank you so much, and make your food basket never run dry.
Yes. Kalina.
Kalina, thank you so much.
Toko, say Kalina.
Kalina, thank you so much. And then no bunch of football trip never run dry.
You know, sing a song for me. Sing a song for me. Sing a song for me. Doom, doom.
Come on, Mason.
Doom, 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 doom. Come on, man, come on, Toko. Tick tock.
Big TikTok.
Everybody tell go big TikTok.
It's not a maximum.
Wanna go and watch
Alright, so just because you sing that, I got donation for you guys to buy ice cream. And that you like here though, ice cream. So here I got $6,000 for you children to buy ice cream. Right. Yeah, enough to buy a little man ice cream too. Okay. So this is $6,000 for you, Mrs. Kids to buy ice cream from Miss Pat. Say.
Thank you so much, Miss Pat.
So all this is for your ice cream for you kids. So thank Miss Pat.
Thank you, Miss Pat. Miss Pat. Thank you so much. Your basket never empty.
Alright, Toko, come Toko, tell me.
Thank you, Miss Pat. I know make your food basket never empty.
Okay, so now $6,000 right here. So show it 6,000 for you to buy ice cream for Tara and Liquor Man.
Miss Pat, thank you so much and make your food basket never run empty.
Okay, so remember, don't leave out Liquor Man, you know. And now have one more add to the list, your niece, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna buy ice cream for them too. Everybody. So sometime next week, you know, we'll probably go Devon House again.
Bring my ball and put my ball on there.
No, sir.
Why didn't you my ball and so we can I
fall.
I wake up in the night.
Cranberry was the last ball. Yeah. For real. And she alone have a ball. And all of them ball both.
And then we'll fight now. And I'm
look what he did now. I want them ball. So we say now ball for that and so get back and I put it up.
So make us say thank you everyone for the
thank you everyone.
Yeah, man, thank you all guys. Thank you for your blessings. Thank you. So it's a Toko. She have a loud voice, you know. I wonder if she'll sing as well too.
And you know, but notice everything she can. Like she can't go for it and sing.
And she have a loud voice. I wonder if she's gonna be singing.
You gonna sing, Toko?
Toko, you gonna sing? Big artist, you know. She's an artist for the future. You know, I like the Papi song where do for your father.
Yeah.
When you can sing it a cappella.
You know, somebody that forget a beat.
You forget a beat. Oh, for singing too. Tara, you always come with that, Tara. You always choose to come on camera for come start your problems.
Come here,
No, sir. Tara is something else. Tara always fine, but when she see camera, she does start. Yeah. She does start. I know. But she just always want to do it when she see the camera. No, sir. So we give thanks, you know, to the Chung family. You know, we thank you so much, Chung family, for the donation for them to get the paint. Also, Miss Pat, we thank you so much, you know, for the kids them to get ice cream. Kalina, we thank you as well. We thank each and every one that donated. You know, Lisa and Winston, God bless you all. You know, so we cannot stop. Thank you guys for the love and support. As you can see, the work is going on. The work never stops. So they never disappoint. Here they're making use and taking advantage of the blessings that they're getting. You know, they're not sitting around and waiting. They're putting in the work to make it happen. You know,
this morning they come and come down here early in the morning and came ready for work. And the man did bring some sand.
Yeah, look man.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So look man always, so make sure look man get his ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting the toes
make sure look man get him ice cream. Yeah. Right?
You know, so the girls them get the clothes and yesterday and them say, when I tell the line, his sister him have a twin, but as I said, all of them go to school and they make sure to take out something for them, each of them, and go give them this morning
Oh, Mr. Oko, what you doing over there? My your finger.
My cookie.
Toko, I cut up chicken back. No, sir.
Give me this. I want you to put hand. My put hand.
She really helpful, want to help still. But she not ready for the knife yet. Not at all. So this is the bathroom. And the bathroom this. Yeah.
By tomorrow. You know, say the flooring cast. Because
Yeah.
that about just a road.
Yeah.
More them put up.
Yeah.
You want water?
Come, Tara, come. Come and key now, come.
You want water?
Come, Tara, come. Come and key now. Tickler. Come, Deva knows we are go. Deva knows we are go. Come, we go swim, Tara. Come, we go swim. We go into the river.
And then when she got there, I was gonna go down, she tear me down for come down the door.
Hey guys, you know, so the mommy here, she can sing, you know. You probably never hear her sing yet. Like, someone new viewers probably, you know. I make sure you're doing something short and spicy, you know, so they can hear the singing voice. You know, give them something, anything you want to give them.
I know it's hard for you, but don't give up. I know God is there for you. I know it's hard. You've been crying. The Lord hear your tears. I know it's been hard for you, but the Lord will hold you up. That's what it says. This what is worth. I know the Lord will be there for you. Just trust and believe.
Yeah. That is it. Just trust and believe. You hear that? Talented, you know. And you know you have got to make a song for the extended family them. You know, the donors them, you have got to sing a song, you know, a gratitude song for them.
Yes.
You have got to sing a thank you song for them, you know. Yeah, thanking them so much. So Chef got to build a song for you guys. You know, trust me. Right? Oh, you sing to Nana? Nana, we had to sing a while ago. Go on then. Cranberry, shy berry. Yeah. Alright, it's getting dark now. Tara, you, Miss Tara, take this out your mouth. Take this out your mouth. Take this out your mouth. Alright guys, as you can see the work's going on right here. You know. Watch my step. Watch my step, watch my step, watch my step. So, as you can see, infrastructure going up, you know, the work is going on. So we give thanks, you know, the Father never stop, you know, never stop. So this will be a great look when everything is finished. So the bathroom will be here, and I'm going to put the kitchen on the front as well too. So, as you can see, the bathroom is the main thing because they never have a bathroom that they was using, you know. They only was using this outside one right here. So this is what they were using, you know. This is the toilet that they were using. So basically, whenever they shower at the river, right? So they never have a bathroom to use. So just a toilet right here, and them always just shower at the river. So as me say, despite what this family situation is, they literally a happy family, right? Trust me. You have people that's out there that's literally they're better off in so many ways financially, and you know, but deep inside they're not happy like how this family is happy. Cause no matter what they're going through. First time I met them, it's not like say, if I didn't see where they're living, I wouldn't know that they was going through this situation, because it never show. So they're literally stressed. It never show nothing like that at all. From the first time when I met them, it never show. You know, like you can see people, you can like, wow, this person is going through a lot. You know, with them, I never encountered that. If I never came up to the house one day just to say, let me see where Cranberry live, I literally wouldn't know that they're literally living like this. Because it never show them always happy and vibrant, you know. Joke, them always like that. So sometime in life you see people have everything that they want in life, but deep inside they're still not happy. And listen, the family who don't have it, they won't have the happiest family I ever met with the situation that they're going through. You know, so you don't have to have all this whole heap of money and have all the material and all this to make you happy. You can still happy same way. So with this, what they're getting now is like it's an extra blessings, you know, will definitely, you know, make them more aware of things that they never did have before. So they have more gratitude to give thanks to you guys, you know. So we thank you so much for the love, God. Trust me, they inspire me. If you know that, so listen. Forgive me, Lord, if I ever complain, right? Because they never complain. They're grateful for everything. So no matter how your people will say this and try to bash and this and that, listen, they're more happy than these persons that always be negative. Trust me, this is one happy family than anyone that's being negative towards them. I'm telling you that for sure. Anyone that be negative towards this family, and trust me, deep down inside, they're more happier than you, for sure. I'm telling you that. One happy family. You know, so watch Toko up here season. Toko, you're seasoning meat? No, sir.
Cranberry, you're doing something?
No, go put back up. Money.
What are they?
Pass it now, mommy. Want something, little girl?
No, sir, Toko. Toko, they cut up meat with her hand. Toko, we are doing the seasoning.
Get one song.
Hmm?
Get one more song.
You get one more song?
If you leave me, I will cry, 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 cry. Sigh, 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 sigh. If you leave me, I will cry, 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 cry. My heart will broke.
That whose song is that? That your song? You make that song? If you leave me, I will cry, cry, cry. That's what you're saying? Hey! Toko, sing your song. What's your song now, Toko? You have a song, Toko? Miss Toko.
I want to cry for
Cranberry, yeah, season up the meat now. Yes, everyone is helpful though, that's good. Alright. So, which part for walk? I'm going to walk around the side there. Oops. Oops. Yeah, that, I want to walk with that up there, sir.
Huh? On the road that up there, sir, you know.
Where, right there, sir?
On the hill, sir?
Yeah, right there, sir.
Yeah, man, I rode to my place, so you have road to go for the yard up there, sir.
Oh, come and just somebody walk past this a while ago. Oh.
I see my place also up there, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You couldn't even tell there's a road right there. You couldn't tell there's a road there at all, boy.
Yeah,
you wouldn't know.
Yeah.
And then you know see light up there at night time.
No, light up on the road, man. Light up on the front side.
Oh.
Yeah. See light up the chip on this and light up the chip on the front.
Okay. Nature life. Nature life. So, Papa, you soon finish up then?
Yeah, that man said, man, get my face on.
Where you go?
Alright, guys, so you know the thing going on is that time of the day. It's getting dark. There, the man himself, you know, Papi is going to put in the work as I can see. And he can't stop thanking you. You know, and he can't thank himself.
Man, holy for thanks, man, to all of the givers and all of my holy for honors and man. Holy for thanks, man. To all of the givers and everyone, man. Holy for thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Man, more blessing and more, man. Yeah, man, holy for thanks.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it. As I can say, where them are coming from to where them is, and you can see the work never stops. So out here is where they're gonna put the kitchen, right at the front, right here. So the main thing at the bathroom, you know, because as I say, I river them used to be and I never tired it. So with the bathroom now, they another step forward that, you know, and the space now, you know, where them have the kitchen, it's even better. You know, you can cook and have a little table here, you can eat and everything. So everything of them one apart. Yeah, man, everything of them one apart, man. So at the journey, you know, so you know we gotta take on, you know. Yeah. Kenisha, I'm leaving now. Cranberry. High five.
Safe journey.
High five, miss. How about Tara? Where?
Safe journey going home.
Yeah. Nana and Toko, bye bye. Bye bye, Toko. Alright, look, man. Oh, that ball.
Yeah.
I hear about pork, sir?
Yeah, blow on the straight no gun.
Yeah, nah, follow me. Start to rain. So next time you follow me. Alright? Which part you go buy? I'll give you for your buy. Where you want to buy?
The chicken.
I want to buy chicken and... You like chicken?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright then.
Safe journey.
High five, Tara. Bye bye.
Say now.
Alright, me hug. Lord God. I really granny this, you know. No, sir.
Let's start later.
Yeah, them thing on the river.
The boom there. Boom.
Oh,
Later. Yeah.
Alright then, guys.
Safe journey.
Alright then. I'm not a real granny then. Come here, say, you know, hug me. Yeah. Later. I'm a generals. Boomer out there? Boomer, yeah. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.